Gearup Booster versus Lagofast. Which is the best game booster in 2026? So let's have a comparison between Gearup Booster versus Lagofast. First, we have Gearup Booster. Gearup Booster is a game acceleration tool designed to reduce latency, stabilize connections, and optimize network traffic for a smoother gaming experience. Whereas Lagofast is another game booster that offers similar features but adds FPS boosting and customizable routes for even better performance. Gearup Booster focuses on reducing ping and packet loss by optimizing network routing, and it supports multiple games across various regions and provides a sample user-friendly interface. Lagofast, on the other hand, combines network acceleration with FPS boosting, making it a great choice for gamers looking for both a stable connection and improved in-game performance. It also offers an adjustable acceleration plan, allowing users to pay per minute instead of a fixed subscription. Gearup Boosters is best for players who want a straightforward, reliable solution for reducing lag and improving connection stability without any extra complexity. Whereas Lagofast is ideal for gamers who want both network acceleration and FPS optimization, along with flexible pricing options. Gearup Booster operates on a subscription-based model, typically priced around $4.99 per month, depending on the plan. But Lagofast offers a unique pay-per-minute pricing model, which can be more cost-effective for casual gamers, along with a traditional monthly subscription option, starting at $6.99 per month. So which one should you choose? If you need a dedicated, easy-to-use game booster for lower ping and stable connections, Gearup Booster is a solid choice. However, if you're looking for a versatile tool with both ping reduction and FPS boosting, plus flexible pricing, then Lagofast might be the better option. Try them both and see which one works best for your gaming set. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.